Hello everyone, my name is Luna and I'm 6 years old. Today I'm reading us today I'm talking about which what is inside the bird's egg. Some birds' eggs don't have a chance to hatch because they're eaten by hungry hunters like snakes and other ones. Inside the bird's egg, it has a yolk. It protects the bird if it gets a knock. And the yolk is food for the little bird to grow too. On the egg, it has many little holes, but we can't see it. It gives oxygen to the little bird to give heat to live. All of the animals have to have heat. It goes into the egg and the chick gets oxygen to get heat. It grows, it cracks, it pecks the egg inside. Then it is free. It grows, it grows, it grows, and it grows into a mother. And the baby chick grows into a mother chicken. Then the mother chicken lays an egg again and again. It doesn't be one. It can be many of them. Some eggs didn't get a chance, but some eggs did get a chance to hatch. Like frogs' eggs, some are killed by the rains, but some are not. And the little chicks are eaten by hungry predators.